Hello and welcome to Fun Fridays with Lexicon IHM. I am Chef Chaitanya. In today's episode, Ms. Tarana Agrawal will show us how to make Bihar's popular meal Litti Choka.
We'll start with the choka part. We'll require 1 unit of brinjal, tomatoes and some boiled potatoes. We need to insert some incision in both baigan and tomatoes. So this incision basically helps to ensure that the brinjal is prepared all inside and out. Let us roast brinjal and tomato both. First of all, we would need some wheat flour, salt, sugar, ajwain and ghee. We'll take some flour, add some salt to it, a little bit of sugar, some ajwain for taste, ghee. For the purpose of kneading, we are going to use some milk. Our flour for the Litti Choka is ready. Some sattu in a bowl, salt, black salt, cumin powder, some cumin, ajwain, ginger, garlic, finely chopped chilies, coriander leaves, onion, lemon juice. This is mustard oil. So now we mix it. We are done with the filling. We are preparing balls. We try to make it in the shape of a bowl. An appropriate amount of the filling. We put it in here and we press it. So now we'll just close it. The shape of the litti has to be circular. We are going to bake these in an oven. You can just bake it for 20 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade.
Now we have roasted peeled vegetables and we have potato boiled.
We need to mash all of these vegetables.
Some salt, green chilies, some garlic, onion, coriander, some lemon juice.
The mustard oil.
And looks like our littis are ready.
We'll dip this litti in ghee. You can break it and then you can put some choka into it and enjoy it with some salad.
Now that Litti Choka is ready, let's make a refreshing drink to go with it, jaljeera. So what we require for jaljeera? We require ginger, black salt, black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder, amchur powder, fresh mint and lime juice. Fresh mint leaves, ample cubes of ice, fresh ginger, black salt, black pepper, amchur powder, the roasted cumin powder, lime juice, water. Rim a glass with salt rim. So blended drink is ready now. Let me strain a drink. We will garnish with lime slice, salted bundi.
Hope you learned something new from Tarana ma'am today.
Stay tuned for such more recipes every Friday.
Till then, stay safe and eat healthy.